Making sense of conjunction confusion. Subordinating versus coordinating conjunctions. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our series on English grammar fundamentals. Today we are going to delve into the world of conjunctions. We're focusing on the differences in function between subordinating conjunctions and coordinating conjunctions. So buckle up, and let's dive right into it. First things first, what are conjunctions? Conjunctions are words that link other words, phrases, or clauses together. They're like the glue that holds our sentences together. The two main types of conjunctions are subordinating conjunctions and coordinating conjunctions, each with its own function in a sentence. Subordinating conjunctions introduce a dependent clause and link it to an independent clause. An independent clause can stand alone as a sentence, while a dependent clause cannot. Common examples of subordinating conjunctions include because, although, if, until, and while. For instance, consider this sentence: I studied hard because I wanted to pass the exam. Here, because is the subordinating conjunction linking the dependent clause, because I wanted to pass the exam, to the independent clause, I studied hard. On the other hand, coordinating conjunctions join two or more items of the same type. The mnemonic acronym FANBOYS can help you remember the 7 coordinating conjunctions: for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Take a look at this example. I studied hard, and I passed the exam. In this sentence, and is the coordinating conjunction linking two independent clauses: I studied hard, and I passed the exam. Now that we understand what each type of conjunction does, let's talk about their differences in function. 1. Dependence versus independence. Subordinating conjunctions create a relationship of dependence between the clauses. The clause introduced by a subordinating conjunction can't stand alone. In contrast, coordinating conjunctions link clauses that could each stand alone as separate sentences. 2. Emphasis. Subordinating conjunctions put more emphasis on the information in the main, independent, clause. Coordinating conjunctions, however, give equal importance to both clauses. 3. Position in the sentence. Subordinating conjunctions can be placed at the beginning or in the middle of a sentence, while coordinating conjunctions usually come in the middle. And that's a wrap for today's lesson on subordinating and coordinating conjunctions. Remember, while they may look similar, these conjunctions play different roles in our sentences. Mastering their usage will greatly enhance your sentence-building skills and make your English more natural and fluent. We hope this video has shed light on the function of these crucial elements of English grammar. Stay tuned for more lessons, and keep up the great work in your English learning journey. Happy studying!